Hi students, how are you all? Welcome in our English lecture, and we have chapter from our government main course book, chapter number 6, Whom I Am. In this chapter, we'll see about different persons, different opinion. In short, like a diversity. You know, all persons are there, their opinion is different by person to person. Means there will not be same opinion of all persons. Means some persons are there, their opinions will be different, their thinking will be different, their likings will be different. Whatever one person liked, that second person did not like. So their likes, dislike, opinion, point of view, all are different from each other. So in this chapter, we'll see about different that children's different opinion, what they like different things from each other, and what they think in their mind, that we'll see in this chapter. So, first of all, we'll see that Radha, a girl, is there. So, what is her opinion and what she is thinking? That we'll see. That Radha is saying that my favorite activity is there, climbing of the trees. So, she likes to play climb on the tree, and just outside her house one mango tree was there. So she always climbed on that tree, and she always enjoyed to climb on the tree. So her favorite activity was there to climb on the tree. So it's a that mango tree is there, its branches were spread and very large. So it is very comfortable to climb on that tree. So that Radha is saying, I like to climb on the tree, and her mother said that it is not nice to climb on the tree for the girls. But then also she did not listen. She always climbed on the tree. So it is uncomfortable for the girls to climb on the tree, and tells me it is not sensible for the girls to climb on the tree, but she always that sit on the tree branch, and her mother said, but one day her mother also climbed on the tree. Both sit on the tree, that tree branches, and both enjoyed there. Both enjoyed much. When I am high up, means the girl saying, when she sit high over the branch, while and sit high on the branch, so she feels like the emperor. She feels that she can only run the whole world. That was that power of that the power rise up. She thought in mind that she only that manage the whole world. So this is that Radha's that that point of view and her thinking. Next person we'll see, that is Nasir. Nasir is saying, when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Nasir, his point of view and his thinking is different. He's saying, when I grow up, I want to be a seed collector. So we have cotton field. He's saying we have many cotton fields in farms, and every year his father spends lot of money in buying that seeds to grow in the farm. So his father spent lot of money every year after seeds which they want to grow in the farm. So his grandfather was saying that for cotton plants, many years ago, they were collecting seeds from their own plant only. They preserved seeds for their next year plant, for that plant only. So every year they don't have to spend lot of money after that seeds which require to grow in the farm. So every year they did not spend money because they already got money, means that money is there, they have, but they can't spend that money every year after seeds because they preserve seeds for the next year. So he is saying he want to be a seed collector. He went to develop that skill, that how to preserve seeds. He want to learn how to preserve seeds. So every year his father will not spend lot of money after seeds. So I want to find out the way. That's way is there that I want to learn how to preserve seeds so we can use them in next year. So every year his father will not spend a lot of money after seeds. So he want to preserve that method. So this is his own point of view and thinking. Next thing is there that Rohit is there. Next person is there, that is Rohit. So Rohit, what he is thinking? What is his thinking? That we'll see. That if I had a huge amount of money, see Rohit thinking his own point of view. He is saying, if I had a huge amount of money, then he would like to travel all over the world. He want to travel and travel, means he like traveling. He want to see the beautiful mountains of the New Zealand country, and he is also saying to us that he had seen that all mountains in magazine. So how they look beautiful, and he want to see them really. Then he is saying he could sail in the Amazon river. He would like to sail in the Amazon river of South America and on the beaches of Lakshadweep, and he dive down to see the coral. He is also saying, I suppose I should go to the Konark temple. He would like to visit Konark temple in Orissa, and the city of Beijing in China. He would like to visit if he had a huge amount of money then. So, but what I actually enjoy, he actually enjoy the nature. He would like to enjoy. He actually enjoying nature more than that cement and concrete buildings. So he like that nature, natural things. So this is his point of view. He would like to visit and visit if he had more amount of money then. Next person is there, Sarvjit. Sarvjit is a boy. So he is saying, what makes me very angry? He is saying some things happening to us and it makes him very angry. That no one is believing on him. No one believe on his words. So that thing is makes him angry. If he is right, then also no one believe on him. So this thing is there. It makes him angry. So suppose he did not do homework, then he said to his teacher that I did not do homework because my friend has taken my notebook and he forget to return me. but no one believing on him. One day he told his teacher that I worked very hard, but then also I got less mark. So this thing is there that no one is believing on him. All were looking on him as if he was speaking lie. So he is saying this thing makes me angry. Means if he is right, then also everyone not believing on him, this thing makes him angry. And he added that sometime no one is believing on him. So he was that much angry that he will look at his foot to control his anger. That he don't want to show his anger to others. That's why he will look at the foot to control his anger. So other person cannot see that the boy is angry. So many times this thing happened to him. So he had to look at the foot to control his anger. Next person is there that next person is Dolma, a girl. A girl Dolma is there. See her point of view, we will see that what she is saying, what is her point of view, that will say. Dolma saying, when I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister. Dolma's dream is there to become Prime Minister when she grown up. So everyone laughed at her, but she is saying, right now all are laughing on me, but I will do it and I will complete my dream. So this is that Dolma's point of view. Dolma saying, I will complete it, and everyone laughed at her. Then also she is saying, no, she don't care about that and she will complete her dream. So everyone in my class, she is saying, everyone in my class asked me what to do when they are in any problem. When any children in any problem in her class, they always ask her what to do. They always come to Dolma what to do and what is the solution of that matter. Whenever any students will be in critical condition, they always come to Dolma to ask what to do to solve that problem. If anyone will be in problem, they come to Dolma for solution. And she is saying her teacher always trusts her when something is needs to be done in school. That her teacher always trusts her. I want to make things. She is saying she wanted to make things better for everyone. She wanted to make things which are better for everyone, and I want to have good hospitals, roads, facilities for all. She wanted to build good roads, hospitals, schools, and education facility when she will be the Prime Minister. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India and who will find out that cures, who will invent cures for disease and send spaceship to Mars. She is saying she would like to develop the medical science. She is saying there are many scientists in our country, so she would like that all scientists will develop and invent cures for disease. So whole world will be out of disease. She had dreamed that the scientists were able to send that spaceship to Mars planet also. So this is her dream. Then we have last boy is there, that is Peter. Peter is the boy So what is his thinking that we'll see. Peter is saying his favorite day is that it is the second Sunday of every month. The second Sunday of every month is Peter's favorite day because on second Sunday his whole family went to see movie with grandmother. His father buys tickets in advance, and in a month, every second Sunday, they visit cinema hall to see movie with family. His father buys tickets in advance, and they takes bus to the cinema hall and enjoy that movie. So he is saying that my parents, my two brothers, and I take the bus there. That all persons will go there, and in the interval, my father buys us peanuts. He is saying his father buys peanut for them, and they love to sit in the darkness and eat that peanuts and watch movie. So afterwards, when they were returned, they always stop to eat the ice cream, to eat ice cream at the ice cream shop. And everyone is in a good manner or in a good mood that day. Then we all feel luckily. He is saying we all feel luckily because we have such a good family. So you have seen that all their children are here. They all have different thinkings, different point of view, and their likes also different. They all do not like same. So that we can see that the all persons are not same. Their likings, their thinkings, their belief, that all are different. So this is a nice chapter about whom I am, and in this chapter we have seen about different child's different opinion. I hope you understand this well. Okay, thank you children. Bye.